Hey everyone, it's Pat and Stephanie here with Independent Trading Sweatshirts, and we have an exciting new line to show you guys for 2021.
Let's get started.
Love to show you the first item on our hit list is the tie-dye. So we offer the tie-dye in a hoodie and a crew neck. It's a nice 8.5 ounce garment. It's an 80-20 blend, 100% cotton face yarn. We offer it in a pullover, a crew neck, and then we also have a short and a pant that match it. So it makes for a great sweatsuit. Also want to add these two colorways, the cotton candy and the swirl. Very trendy colors right now in a sweatsuit as well, top and bottom. So no short, but a pant. And then another trendy style is our mineral wash. So we offer this in a short and a pant, and then also a hoodie. It's a great piece. You don't have to take it to the dye house and have it washed. We've got it done ourselves, and you guys can buy as many pieces as you want off the floor. We also want to feature one of our other great new styles to the line. It's our Pigment Dye. Pigment's been around for years. We offer it in a pullover hood, a crew neck, and then we offer it in a short and a pant that matches it. So great style. Pigment's never going away, so get your orders in now. We want to offer you guys another cool new style to the line. It's our icon style. So we offer it in a pullover, a zip hood, and a crew neck. It's a unisex cut, raglan. We offer double draw cords in this style. We offer about 7 or 8 styles now in the double draw cord. That's why we added it to this style. It's performing really well for us. And it's a lightweight French terry, and the price is unbeatable.
So as you know, French terry has been around, and we wanted to bring unique style and as well as unique color palette. So here we have a wide range of these nice lighter shades as well as your classic shades. Next on the lineup, we have our California Wave Wash collection. I know we talked a little bit more about unisex styles, but really wanted to gear towards us ladies. And so we have a 3-piece collection where you have a pullover, you have a crew neck, and you have a zip. And then recently we brought in the pants. So really it's a kind of a one-stop shop as far as loungewear, complete sweatsuit. It does have a wash to it, which makes it extremely, extremely soft. And of course we have a nice color palette option, really unique, light, as well as your solid basic colors, as well as a camo colorway. All right, next on the ladies lineup, we have our women's lightweight crop hoodie. So here it comes in some few basic colors. Of course, we had to add it in the black camo, and then recently we're gonna add this in the cotton candy. That should be available really, really soon, but it's nice, lightweight. It has the raw edge, it has the drop shoulder sleeve, and also too, some people might consider matching some of our crop hoodies with our wave wash pant. Another feature I wanted to add is that this is our pre-laundered 40 singles 80-20 fabric. You also might be familiar with our AFX line that we'll touch base in a little bit, but it is great for printing.
Hey guys, I wanted to talk about the AFX fabric now. We've had the AFX zip in the line for a long time. It's proven it's done really well, so we figured we'd bring in a pullover hood. With the contrast draw cord, same 40 singles, same lightweight fabric, print friendly, pre-laundered. So been a great seller for us. Hey guys, here's one more cool item to the line. It's our Legend series. This is a cross grain fabric with a side panel. It's 450 grams. We really took the time to make just the heaviest, nicest garment in our line, down to the rim, the fabric, the draw cords, and the stitching. This style, we believe in it, and we hope you guys will order a sample and check it out for yourselves.
So aside from all the new 2021 fleece that we've added to our collection, we wanted to bring something a little bit newer to the table, which is our new Duffel Bag. So it's 100% polyester. It comes with an adjustable strap, has an inside pocket, and also we've added a couple new color prints to it. So it's kind of that one-stop shop where you could use it for your gym, weekend, day trip. Definitely check it out.
Well, I wanted to wrap it up with a couple classics that we've had in the line forever. One is our IND 4000. It's our staple. It's our first garment we ever brought in. We've gone deeper in colors and inventory than we ever have, so keep that in mind when you have any big programs. And then also our SS 4500, which is another one that's just gaining momentum. So thanks for watching. We appreciate the support. See you guys soon.